Do you have a favorite card? What's the first card that comes to mind? Ace of Hearts. Are you happy with that? Or you want to change your mind? Most people pick that one.
King of Diamonds.
Which one? We'll do which one? She said Ace of Hearts. Do first.
Ace of Hearts.
Ace of Hearts.
Give her what Give her what the
do you have a free pocket? Here, take the cards. Perfect. Now, go through the cards. Try to find did you find the Ace of which one? It's not in there?
That's the only one that ain't in there.
The only one that's not in there? You know what? Because earlier I put a card in my back pocket. Because I knew I was going to meet someone whose favorite card was the Ace of Hearts.
Only card that was in her back pocket.
Yeah. What did you want? You wanted the King of Diamonds? Are you sure? You want to change your mind? I'm going to give you the option to change your mind.
Oh, there you go right there.
There I go right there. No, but you had a card, didn't you? See, King of Diamonds, we could actually make it look like the like the Ace of Hearts.
Oh my God!
But don't blink, it happens just like that. It goes back.
That shit.
Just like that.
That's how it goes.
Are y'all not watching this right here? You guys are missing out right now.
That's your advertising.
You guys are missing out. Everybody, come here.
Hey, watch this. See, I don't have sleeves, right? People always think it's the sleeves, but watch, just as we made it come back, we can make it disappear.
You're missing out. Come here right now.